Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I have a very quick tip for you. Do you ever have a bottle that has just a little teeny tiny bit of stuff left in the bottom and you can't get to it, but it's got one of these weird heads so that you can't stand it on its head to let that last little bit drip to the bottom? Well, I have a very quick way and a very quick tip to show you how to get the stuff from here down to here without having it go like this. I want to show you right now. So if you're like me and you've got a bottle like this, you can't turn it upside down because it's going to fall over, right? So what I discovered is that if I just take a teepee tube and just put it like that, and I put that in my bathroom, then that allows all my fabulous goodness to come down to the bottom. Now, if you're a little worried about that because it's a little tippy, the other thing that I've discovered is if you just take one of these good old handy dandy duct tape rolls and glue your teepee tube into it, now you've got yourself a much sturdier base. But here's another thought. Take one of these heavy duty binder clips, place it on the bottom just like that, and that will also allow the good drippage. And then the last one is you can use a pool noodle. The only thing about the pool noodle is that I've found that it catches down here at the bottom because you really want to push that in there just to make sure that it stays. And what happens is when you pull it out, it does catch a little bit on there. But other than that, it's still another great way to make sure that you are getting all the goodness from the top to the bottom. So there you have it. 3 different ways to get the stuff that's here down to here without this happening to you. For more great ideas, check us out at sophie-world.com. We got lots of tips and lots of crafts.